આ કાર્યક્રમના પ્રાયોજક ગુજરાત કાઉન્સિલ ઓન સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજી, ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ ઓફ સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજી, ગુજરાત રાજ્ય.
ભારતના માનનીય વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીના વિજ્ઞાન દ્વારા આત્મનિર્ભરતાના સ્વપ્નને સાકાર કરતી મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી ભૂપેન્દ્રભાઈ પટેલના નેતૃત્વમાં ગુજરાત કાઉન્સિલ ઓફ સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજી ગુજકોસ્ટ દ્વારા નિર્મિત એક અનોખી નગરી રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર ભુજ. સર્ક્યુલર કેનોપીઝથી સુશોભિત આ સેન્ટરમાં 6 થીમ સાથે બનેલ ગેલેરીઝ છે, જેમાં સ્પેસ સાયન્સ, એનર્જી સાયન્સ, બોન્સાઈ, મરીન નેવિગેશન, નેનો ટેકનોલોજી અને ફિલ્ડ મેડલ ગેલેરીનો સમાવેશ થાય છે. અહીં સમયાંતરે ખગોળ વિજ્ઞાન અને બોન્સાઈ વર્કશોપ્સનું આયોજન કરવામાં આવે છે, જે અવકાશ વિજ્ઞાન અને બોટનીમાં રુચિ ધરાવતા મુલાકાતીઓને આકર્ષે છે. વળી અહીંના 3D થિયેટર અને વર્ચ્યુઅલ રિયાલિટી ઝોન મુલાકાતીઓને 21મી સદીના નવ વિશ્વનો યાદગાર અનુભવ આપે છે. વળી અહીંના કેફેટેરિયામાં સ્વાદિષ્ટ ફૂડની મજા સાથે સુંદર ગાર્ડનમાં બેસીને અગમ-નિગમની વાતો કરવાની મજા તો ખરી જ. તો ચાલો બાળકો, મનાવીએ વન ડે પિકનિક રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર ભુજમાં અને સાયન્સને વધુ નજીકથી જાણીએ અને માણીએ. ભારતના માનનીય વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીના વિજ્ઞાન દ્વારા આત્મનિર્ભરતાના સ્વપ્નને સાકાર કરતી મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી ભૂપેન્દ્રભાઈ પટેલના નેતૃત્વમાં ગુજરાત કાઉન્સિલ ઓફ સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજી ગુજકોસ્ટ દ્વારા નિર્મિત એક અનોખી નગરી રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર ભાવનગર. દરિયા કિનારે આવેલ આ નગરમાં નિર્મિત આ સેન્ટરની મરીન એક્વેટિક ગેલેરી સવિશેષ છે, જે મુલાકાતીઓને દરિયાઈ જીવસૃષ્ટિનો નજીકથી પરિચય કરાવે છે. અહીં આવેલ ઓટોમોબાઈલ ગેલેરી વાહન વ્યવહાર ક્ષેત્રની ક્રાંતિનું જીવંત પ્રતિબિંબ છે, જ્યારે નોબેલ પ્રાઇઝ ગેલેરી નોબેલ વિજેતા વૈજ્ઞાનિકો વિશે જાણકારી આપે છે. વળી અહીંની ઇલેક્ટ્રોમિકેનિક્સ અને બાયોલોજી સાયન્સ ગેલેરી પણ વિજ્ઞાનને ઊંડાણપૂર્વક સમજવા મદદ કરે છે. અહીંના 3D થિયેટર અને વર્ચ્યુઅલ રિયાલિટી ઝોન મુલાકાતીઓને 21મી સદીના નવ વિશ્વનો યાદગાર અનુભવ આપે છે. વળી અહીંના કેફેટેરિયામાં સ્વાદિષ્ટ ફૂડની મજા અને સુંદર ગાર્ડનમાં બેસીને અગમ-નિગમની વાતો કરવાની મજા તો ખરી જ. તો ચાલો બાળકો, મનાવીએ વન ડે પિકનિક રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર ભાવનગરમાં અને સાયન્સને વધુ નજીકથી જાણીએ અને માણીએ.
MP01, team number 1, Yasraj and Harshal.
MP01, Yasraj and Harshal. Team 2, the second team to qualify. SK01, Anant Kumar Sharma and Aira Alui from Uttarakhand and Sikkim. SK01.
SK01.
SK01. Team 3, CH01, Khushmeet and Hardik.
Team three.
CH01, Khushmeet and Hardik. Team CH01, Khushmeet and Hardik. Team UP02, Ojasvi and Devansh. UP02, Ojasvi and Devansh. Team MP01, Yashraj and Harshal. If you are here, please raise your hand.
Yasraj and Harshal.
Yashraj and Harshal. They aren't here yet. Anant and Aira. Team SK01. SK01. CH01. Team CH01, are you here? CH01. Okay, you guys are. Fair enough. UP02. Ojasvi and Devansh. Team UP02, Ojasvi and Devansh, there you are. Fair enough. Team MP01, Yashraj and Harshal. Team SK01, Anant and Ira.
Anant and Ira.
Anant, Ira, SK01. All right, you are here.
S01. Anant and Ira.
PB02 from Punjab, Jayant, Grover and Krish. PB02.
Team PB02.
Jayant, Grover and Krish. If your name is not announced, please be seated at the back. Right, we'll call you in the front. For now, please be seated at the back. PB02, Jayant and Krish. JH01 from Jharkhand and West Bengal, Riya, Roshan and Saurav Pratap Yadav. Riya and Saurav, JH01.
JH01, are you here? Raise your hand if you're already seated. JH01. Okay. Put your hands down.
JH01,
Yeah,
okay.
They're here. They're here.
RJ01, Aditya and Arnav.
Sir, new entry. Please enter.
RJ01, Aditya and Arnav.
The Rajasthan team, RJ01, are you here? Raise your hand if you're here. Cool, cool. Please join us here. Take this table. It's easier for us to segregate. Yeah. Please sit here.
Team UP01, Shreyansh and Achyut.
Team UP01.
So we'll repeat. UP01, are you here? Raise your hand if you're here. UP01.
RJ01, are you here?
Yes, yes, they've arrived. UP01, can you raise your hand please if you're in the venue?
Shreyansh Das and Achyut Pathak. You are UP01?
Yes.
Yeah,
They're here?
They're here.
Good. Next.
BR01, Zaifi and Kartikeya. BR01. BR01, Zaifi and Kartikeya.
BR01, are you here? BR01.
BR01.
Can you repeat the first names?
BR01
Okay, they're
is
here.
there.
They're here. Okay.
KA01, Bhuvan and Sinchana.
Bhuvan and Sinchana, KA01 Karnataka team.
KA01, Bhuvan and
Please
Sinchana.
fast. Hurry, hurry, Bhuvan. This team here.
Are they here?
Is he
Yes,
here?
they're here. They're here. They've seated. Yeah.
KA01 is here. Okay. UK02,
Fast?
Navroop
Okay.
and Reyansh.
UK0.
Sir, you can do that later, please. Yeah. No time
UK02,
for celebration. If your name is announced, better run to the semi-final zone. Where's your partner? Okay, that team has come. UK02 is here.
Navroop and Reyansh. All right. DD02, Akshit and Hani Narayan.
DD, is that?
DD02,
Okay, good. Daman and Diyu,
Akshit
yes.
Bhargav and
They're
Hari
here.
Narayan.
They're here. Please take that seat. Yes. They're here. Next.
MH01, Sid Porwal and Bhavya.
Are you? MH01. Yeah, the team is here. Quickly. Quick. Please keep your pens ready. JK02. Are you in the venue?
Dhruv and Karanbir.
Dhruv and Karanveer. Are you Dhruv and Karanveer? Okay. Who are these students?
MH01 is here. Is MH01 here? TN01,
The
Vedesh
Tamil
and
Nadu team.
Vedesh and Aditi. TN01, Tamil Nadu 01, Vedesh and Aditi. Vedesh Narayan, Aditi Shankar.
Ma'am, please make sure nobody
You are TN01? Okay. From Goa, GA01, Vignesh and Jesril. PB01, Punjab, Raghav Jain, Vivek Grover. PB01, Raghav Jain, Vivek Grover, Team Punjab. PB01,
That's the Punjab team. PB, that's you. Please, here. Fast. Take your seats.
RJ02, Arnav, Arav and Keshav.
Fast. One of you sit, the other one can get.
Arav and Keshav, RJ02.
Abhay ji, move on, please. Yes, next. These are the set of rules. Only that the time is 20 minutes. Sorry, once we start the quiz, 10 minutes we keep for the instructions which we have already given. To actually write down the answer, you will get 20 minutes. Question number 20 to 25 are tiebreakers, important questions in case of a tie. And use of electronic devices is strictly prohibited. Fill in the required details before we start the quiz.
20 મિનિટનો ટાઈમ મળશે તમને. અમે ક્વેશ્ચન 10 થી 15 સેકન્ડ માટે જ બતાડીશું અને ક્વેશ્ચન્સ રિપીટ નહીં થાય. દર ક્વેશ્ચનની વેલ્યુ 1 પોઈન્ટ છે. અગર તમે ખોટો આન્સર લખશો તો એના કોઈ પણ નેગેટિવ્સ કપાય નહીં તમારા સ્કોરમાંથી. ટીમ્સ એકબીજા જોડે ડિસ્કસ કરવાનું અલાઉડ નથી. અગર તમે પકડાઈ ગયા તો તમને ડિસ્ક્વોલિફાય કરી દેશે ડિરેક્ટલી. 20 ક્વેશ્ચન 20 to 25, 20 થી 25મો ક્વેશ્ચન છે ટાઈ બ્રેકર ક્વેશ્ચન છે, સ્ટાર માર્ક. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1.
It is the smallest controllable element of a picture represented on the screen. The word is a combination of the words picture and element. What's the good word?
કોઈ પણ કમ્પ્યુટર સ્ક્રીનમાં આ ચિત્રનું સૌથી નાનું નિયંત્રણક્ષમ રૂપ છે. આ શબ્દ અંગ્રેજી શબ્દો પિક્ચર અને એલિમેન્ટનું સંયોજન છે. આ કયો શબ્દ છે? That is question 1.
Moving on. Second question. Question 2. These types of masks were worn by doctors during a life-threatening disease caused by the bacterium Yersinia pestis. Name the disease that was prevalent in 1665. That is the 17th century. Which disease are we talking about?
Yersinia pestis નામના બેક્ટેરિયામાંથી થતા જીવલેણ રોગ દરમિયાન ડોક્ટરો દ્વારા આ પ્રકારનું માસ્ક પહેરવામાં આવતું હતું. 1665માં પ્રચલિત આ રોગનું નામ જણાવો.
Here comes question number 3. These structures at DS headquarters, Noida, uses 1,600 liters of microalgae to capture carbon dioxide equal to 6 trees. What two-word nickname is given to these innovations?
નોઈડાના ડીએસ હેડક્વાર્ટર ખાતે આ માળખા 6 વૃક્ષો જેટલા કાર્બન ડાયોક્સાઇડને શોષવા માટે 1600 લીટર સૂક્ષ્મ શેવાળનો ઉપયોગ કરે છે. આ નવીનતાઓને કયું બે શબ્દનું ઉપનામ આપવામાં આવ્યું છે?
This is question 4. What invention created by Japanese engineer Masahiro Hara in 1994 inspired by the game of Go? Go is a board game which will be shown to you in the next screen. Inspired by the game of Go has become an essential part of our modern life. Something he invented after looking at the board game. What is that?
1994માં જાપાનના એન્જિનિયર મસાહિરો હારા દ્વારા ગો રમતથી પ્રેરિત થઈને કઈ શોધ કરવામાં આવી હતી જે આપણા આધુનિક જીવનનો એક આવશ્યક ભાગ બની ગયો છે? ઇમેજ પ્લીઝ.
So here is the image of the board game Go. So think and answer. Essential part of modern day life. We sort of see it, use it on a daily basis. What invention was inspired by this? Very, very evident in the image. Very easy to guess from the image.
આ ગો રમતનું બોર્ડ ગેમ છે. આમાંથી કઈ આધુનિક ટેકનોલોજીની પ્રેરણા આવી છે જે આપણે આજે પણ વાપરીએ છીએ અને આ સમયમાં આપણે ખાસ વાપરીએ છીએ આ ટેકનોલોજી.
Question number 5 coming up. This engineering marvel, inaugurated in 2023, blends modern technology with traditional architectural styles. Featuring a triangular design, it optimizes space utilization and symbolizes sacred geometry. What iconic building is it?
2023માં ઉદ્ઘાટન કરાયેલ આ એન્જિનિયરિંગ અજાયબી પરંપરાગત સ્થાપત્ય શૈલીઓ સાથે આધુનિક ટેકનોલોજીનું મિશ્રણ કરે છે. ત્રિકોણાકાર ડિઝાઇન સાથે તે ઉપલબ્ધ જગ્યાનો શ્રેષ્ઠ ઉપયોગ કરે છે અને પવિત્ર ભૂમિતિનું એક પ્રતીક છે. આ કઈ પ્રતિષ્ઠિત ઇમારત છે?
Next question. What unique ability in certain organisms is due to presence of a class of biological pigments called the luciferins? The word luciferins is itself is a huge hint. What ability of certain organisms is due to this? They could be found in the sea, they could be found on the land as well.
લ્યુસિફેરિન નામના જૈવિક રંગદ્રવ્યોના વર્ગની હાજરીના કારણે આ સજીવોમાં કઈ ખાસ ક્ષમતા છે? ફોટો તમને સ્લાઇડ પર દેખાડ્યો છે. લ્યુસિફેરિન એક બહુ મોટી હિન્ટ છે અને એ રંગદ્રવ્યો છે લ્યુસિફેરિન નામના, જેની હાજરીના લીધે આ સજીવોમાં એક ખાસ ક્ષમતા છે.
ભારતના માનનીય વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીના વિજ્ઞાન દ્વારા આત્મનિર્ભરતાના સ્વપ્નને સાકાર કરતી મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી ભૂપેન્દ્રભાઈ પટેલના નેતૃત્વમાં ગુજરાત કાઉન્સિલ ઓફ સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજી ગુજકોસ્ટ દ્વારા નિર્મિત એક અનોખી નગરી રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર પાટણ રૂપિયા 100 કરોડના ખર્ચે નિર્મિત અને 10 એકર જેટલી વિશાળ જગ્યામાં ફેલાયેલ આ સેન્ટર પોતાના ડાયનાસોર પાર્ક માટે જાણીતું છે અને એની અનોખી હાઇડ્રોપોનિક ગેલેરી મુલાકાતીઓને નવી તકનીકોથી માહિતગાર કરે છે અને એની ઓપ્ટિક્સ ગેલેરી અનોખા આકર્ષણનું કેન્દ્ર બની છે. વળી અહીંના 3D થિયેટર અને વર્ચ્યુઅલ રિયાલિટી ઝોન મુલાકાતીઓને 21મી સદીના નવ વિશ્વનો યાદગાર અનુભવ આપે છે. આ વિશાળ સેન્ટર ફરીને ભૂખ તો લાગે જ, તો અહીંયા સ્થિત કેફેટેરિયામાં સ્વાદિષ્ટ ફૂડ ઉપલબ્ધ છે. વળી સુંદર ગાર્ડનમાં બેસીને અગમ નિગમની વાતો કરવાની મજા તો ખરી જ. તો ચાલો બાળકો, મનાવીએ વન ડે પિકનિક રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર પાટણમાં અને સાયન્સને વધુ નજીકથી જાણીએ અને માણીએ. ભારતના માનનીય વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીના વિજ્ઞાન દ્વારા આત્મનિર્ભરતાના સ્વપ્નને સાકાર કરતી મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી ભૂપેન્દ્રભાઈ પટેલના નેતૃત્વમાં ગુજરાત કાઉન્સિલ ઓફ સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજી ગુજકોસ્ટ દ્વારા નિર્મિત રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર રાજકોટ સૌરાષ્ટ્રના ઔદ્યોગિક શહેરમાં આવેલા સેન્ટર 6 વિશેષ ગેલેરીઝ ધરાવે છે. અહીંની મશીન એન્જિનિયરિંગ ગેલેરી આકર્ષણનું કેન્દ્ર છે. સાથે રોબોટિક ગેલેરી વિવિધ પ્રકારના રોબોટ્સની ઝાંખી કરાવે છે. રાજકોટ અને મોરબીના સિરામિક તેમજ ગ્લાસ ઉદ્યોગને ઉજાગર કરતી આ ગેલેરી ટાઇલ ઉદ્યોગની ઝાંખી કરાવે છે. અહીંના 3D થિયેટર અને વર્ચ્યુઅલ રિયાલિટી ઝોન મુલાકાતીઓને 21મી સદીના નવ વિશ્વનો યાદગાર અનુભવ આપે છે. સાથે અહીંના કેફેટેરિયામાં સ્વાદિષ્ટ ફૂડ અને સુંદર ગાર્ડનમાં બેસીને અગમ નિગમની વાતો કરવાની મજા તો ખરી જ. તો ચાલો બાળકો, મનાવીએ વન ડે પિકનિક રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર રાજકોટમાં અને સાયન્સને વધુ નજીકથી જાણીએ અને માણીએ.
Question 7, please.
Here is the next question. The Renaissance polymath formulated the heliocentric model of the solar system, triggering a scientific revolution. Who is the scientist after whom the element number 112 in the periodic table is named? Simple, straightforward question. Over to you, Bhushan.
આ નવજાગૃતિ કાળના બહુ પ્રતિભાશાળી વ્યક્તિએ સૌરમંડળનો સૂર્ય કેન્દ્રી મોડલ ઘડ્યું હતું, જેનાથી વૈજ્ઞાનિક ક્રાંતિ થઈ. આ વૈજ્ઞાનિક કોણ છે જેના નામ પરથી આવર્ત કોષ્ટમાં 112મા તત્વનું નામ આપવામાં આવ્યું છે?
Question number 8 on your screen. The asteroid belt in our solar system is supposed to be the remains of an ancient planet. The question is, between which two planets can you find the asteroid belts?
આપણા સૌરમંડળમાં રહેલા એસ્ટ્રોઇડ પટ્ટી એક પ્રાચીન ગ્રહના અવશેષો હોવાનું માનવામાં આવે છે. તે કયા બે ગ્રહોની ભ્રમણ કક્ષા વચ્ચે જોવા મળે છે?
It's a one-pointer question, so you get either of those correct. Maybe 0.5 will be given. You better answer completely for complete point.
So question 9.
Next question, yes. These were all computers developed for what specific purpose? For what specific purpose were these computers developed? will show Deep Thought, Deep Blue, Deep Junior were the models. They were developed specifically for what purpose?
આગલી સ્લાઇડ પર અમે તમને 3 કમ્પ્યુટર્સના ફોટો બતાડીશું. આ ત્રણેય કમ્પ્યુટર કયા વિશિષ્ટ હેતુ માટે વિકસાવવામાં આવ્યા હતા?
Question number 10. This was the initial sketch of an early lateral control system used for what or by whom?
આ જૂના સમયનો એક લેટરલ કંટ્રોલ સિસ્ટમનું પ્રારંભિક સ્કેચ છે જેનો ઉપયોગ શા માટે અને કોના દ્વારા કરવામાં આવ્યો હતો?
Question 11. Armacolite is a grayish titanium-rich mineral. It is named after 3 prominent explorers who discovered it in 1969. Where was this mineral found? You need to give me the location, very specific. Where was this mineral found? Named after 3 prominent explorers.
આર્મલકોલાઇડ ગ્રે રંગનું ટાઇટેનિયમથી ભરપૂર ખનિજ છે. તેનું નામ 3 અગ્રણી સંશોધકોના નામ પરથી રાખવામાં આવ્યું છે જેમણે 1969 માં તેની શોધ કરી હતી. આ ખનિજ ક્યાં મળી આવ્યું હતું?
Question 12. This symbol was used in ancient India and Tibet to represent perfection and dualism. Identify this mathematical symbol invented by John Wallis that signifies a dragon eating its own tail. It signifies a dragon eating its own tail. Try and visualize that. Which mathematical symbol?
આ પ્રતીકનો ઉપયોગ પ્રાચીન ભારત અને ટિબેટમાં પૂર્ણતા અને દ્વૈતવાદનું પ્રતિનિધિત્વ કરવા માટે થતું હતું. જોન વોલિસ દ્વારા આ ગણિતિક પ્રતીક કયું છે જે ડ્રેગનને પોતાની પૂંછડી ખાતા દર્શાવે છે? ગણિતિક પ્રતીક છે, મેથેમેટિકલ સિમ્બલ.
Question number 13. What medical scanning process does this flowchart illustrate? We'll show you an image.
આવતી સ્લાઇડમાં અમે તમને એક ફ્લો ચાર્ટ બતાડીશું. એ ફ્લો ચાર્ટ કઈ મેડિકલ સ્કેનિંગ પ્રક્રિયાને દર્શાવે છે? ઇમેજ પ્લીઝ.
Here is the image. Lot of important keywords. Take a good look. Next question coming up. Question number 14. In a petri dish, fungi are multiplying in such a manner that they're becoming double each day. The dish is full in 30 days. How many days did it take to half fill the dish? It takes 30 days for the fungi to fill the petri dish. My question is, how long did it take to half fill?
પીટી ડિશમાં ફૂગ એટલી ઝડપથી વધે છે કે તે દરરોજ બમણી એટલે ડબલ થાય છે. પીટી ડિશ 30 દિવસે ભરાઈ જાય છે. એ ડિશને અડધી ભરાતા કેટલા દિવસ લાગશે?
Okay, here is the next question. Marie Curie, Fred Sanger, Linus Pauling, John Burdeen, Carl Barry Sharpless. Connect all these individuals to a certain achievement in the field of science, which is unique to these individuals mentioned here.
મેરી ક્યુરી, ફ્રેડરિક સેંગર, લિનસ પાઉલિંગ, જોન બાર્ડીન, કાર્લ બેરી શાર્પલેસ. આ વ્યક્તિઓને એક ખાસ સિદ્ધિ સાથે જોડો.
Here comes the next question. Question number 16. Please note, from this question onwards, all the questions are tiebreakers. From question number 16, all are tiebreakers. Hydrangea macrophylla is a flowering plant found in a lot of places with varied conditions and hence display a variety of colors like pink and blue. Though it's the same plant, based on where you have planted, it could have a spectrum of colors. What environment condition determines the color of these varieties?
હાઇડ્રાન્જિયા માઇડોફિલા એક ફૂલોનો છોડ છે જે ઘણી જગ્યાએ વિવિધ પરિસ્થિતિઓમાં જોવા મળે છે અને તેની ગુલાબી અને વાદળી જેવા વિવિધ રંગો દર્શાવે છે. આ પ્રકારના રંગ કઈ પર્યાવરણીય પરિસ્થિતિઓ દ્વારા નક્કી થાય છે?
Next question. Question 17. Next. Yes. What word connects this Greek deity and a heavenly body with the periodic table. Greek deity, a heavenly body with the periodic table.
આ ગ્રીક દેવતા અને આકાશીય પિંડને કયો અંગ્રેજી શબ્દ આવર્ત કોષ્ટ સાથે જોડે છે? એ અંગ્રેજી શબ્દ આવર્ત કોષ્ટમાં પણ મળશે, આ ગ્રીક દેવના નામમાં પણ મળશે અને એક આકાશીય પિંડનું પણ નામ છે.
Question number 18. What is calculated based on this formula given by German psychologist William Stern in 1912? We'll show the formula on the next screen. What is calculated based on this formula?
1912 માં જર્મન મનોવૈજ્ઞાનિક વિલિયમ સ્ટર્ન દ્વારા આપવામાં આવેલ આ સૂત્રના આધારે શું ગણતરી કરવામાં આવે છે?
Next. Okay. Identify the missing number in this sequence. What is missing? Which number is missing? Quite a simple logic. Look closer. Missing number in the list. A 4-digit number that's missing on the list.
આમાંથી ખૂટતો નંબર આપો. જે ત્યાં 4 ક્વેશ્ચન માર્ક્સથી દર્શાવ્યો છે એ ખૂટતો નંબર આમાંથી આપો.
Look carefully. Yeah. Next question. This is question 20. This is the penultimate question. Since we lost a question, we'll be replacing that. In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer noticed that when he passed by a magnetron in his lab, the chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Later that year, he filed a patent for the world's first what? Fill in the blanks. World's first what? An accidental discovery that we are talking about. This is the incident that led to this discovery. What did he file a patent for?
1945 માં પર્સી જેક્સન નામના એક એન્જિનિયરે જોયું કે જ્યારે મેગ્નેટ્રોન પાસેથી પસાર થયા તો એમના ખિસ્સામાં રહેલું ચોકલેટનો બાર ઓગળી ગયો હતો. તે વર્ષે તેમને વિશ્વના સૌથી પ્રથમ બ્લેન્ક માટે પેટન્ટ ફાઇલ કરી. આ કઈ શોધની ચર્ચા થઈ રહી છે?
And here is the final question. We'll stop off with 20 questions. This is technically question number 21, but we lost a question there. We'll be replacing it now. Here is the question. This Google Doodle marked the 148th birth anniversary of a gentleman called Carl Landsteiner. My question is, what discovery in 1901 did he win a Nobel Prize for? The discovery was made in 1901. He won a Nobel Prize in 1930. What is his major contribution to the field of science? Here is the Google Doodle.
આ ગૂગલ ડૂડલ કાર્લ લેન્ડસ્ટાઇનરની 148મી જન્મ જયંતિ નિમિત્તે છે, જેમની 1901ની શોધના કારણે તેમને 1930માં નોબેલ પુરસ્કાર મળ્યો હતો. તેમને શું શોધ્યું હતું? વેરી હેલ્પફુલ ઇમેજ.
So that.
All right. Teams, make sure that you have written your names and all the other details. તમારું નામ, તમારું ટીમનું કોડ એ બધું સરખી રીતે એલિમ શીટમાં લખી લો અને 2 મિનિટમાં વોલન્ટિયર્સ તમારી પાસેથી શીટ્સ કલેક્ટ કરી લેશે.
4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. All the very best for the finals, semi-finalists, all the very best. Hope to see you in the finale. All right, so this was the first question. This is how we'll play it. If you know the answer, you can just shout it out or you can raise your hand. We'll walk up to one of you. This was the first question. Smallest controllable element of a picture. What is it called as? You can answer. It's called a pixel. From picture and element, simple as that. Quite a sitter in quizzing terms, right? Pixel is the correct answer. Next. So yeah, we'll reveal the answer. Can we move on to the second question? Yes. What were these masks used as a protection against? Okay. We have the answer here.
The plague.
The plague. That is the correct answer. How many of you have written it as plague? That's the correct answer. Next question. Plague is the key term. If you have written it, you've got it. All right. Yes. What are these structures nicknamed as? What name is given to that? Quickly over here.
Liquid tree.
It's called a liquid tree because it had 1,600 liters of microalgae and it purifies the air. It was called as liquid tree. Lovely answer. Next. What invention? Masahiro Hara, 1994, inspired by Go.
It's a quick response code or QR code.
A quick response code or simply the QR code that we see every day. Lovely answer. That's the correct answer. This is the story behind how QR code was invented. Next. Which engineering marvel is being explained here? Triangular design, sacred geometry. Which iconic building?
Parliament of India.
This is the Parliament of India. Which one?
The new one.
The new Parliament building is the correct answer. All right. Next question. How many of you have written this? Indian Parliament? New Parliament building, Indian Parliament. If the word Parliament is there, you scored on this question. Question 6. Yes. Yes, it's the same thing. Please be seated. Yeah. What unique ability in certain organisms is due to the presence of luciferins? Can I have answer from this section? Anybody here? Okay, I'll give it to you. What luminescence? Okay, as long as you have given some sort of reference to the word light, you have scored on this question. So the correct answer to this question is, can we have it on screen? This is bioluminescence, or simply the ability to emit light. Next question, moving on to question number 7. Renaissance polymath formulated the heliocentric model. Who are we talking about? All right, I've had a few answers from you. I'll ask somebody new. Yes? Sir,
Copernicus.
so which is the element?
Copernicium.
That's the correct answer. This is Nicholas Copernicus, Copernicium, which is named after him. That's the correct answer. Sun is the center of the solar system. That was proposed by him. Next question. Asteroid belt between which two planets? Which two planets? I'll give it to you.
Mangala and Guru.
Is the right answer. That's the correct answer. Beautifully cracked. This is Mars and Jupiter, right? Those two are the planets.
GuCost is nurturing, disseminating and popularizing science to the grassroots level of society through its various programs and outreach activities. To inculcate the spirit of scientific study and to exhibit creativity, innovativeness, and more particularly the ability to solve a societal problem experienced locally using the method of science is the philosophy of GuCost. In a unique initiative to promote STEM learning in a fun way, GuCost conducted the Gujarat STEM Quiz, the journey of a new generation. Established by the Department of Science and Technology, the Government of India in September 1986 as a cell and registered as an autonomous society in the year 2000. The Gujarat Council on Science and Technology, GuCost, is playing a catalytic role in promoting the uses of science and technology in the development of the state. By inculcating scientific temperament and igniting the young minds, GuCost is acting as an organic link between science, technology and society.
Here is the next question. These were all computers, all right? Yeah, we revealed the answer to this accidentally. Next, so skip the answer to this fast. Go to the next question, please. Yes, question number 10. This was the initial sketch of an early lateral control system used for what and by whom? Two parts to the question. You should ideally write both parts to get complete scores for this. Have you answered a question earlier? Okay, let's ask someone new on the, okay, please.
Wright brothers for the aeroplane?
Wright brothers for the
Aeroplane, first
the
flight.
very first airplane prototype is the correct answer. That's the correct answer. Lovely quizzing. First plane by Wright brothers. How many of you have written both these answers correctly? Complete answer. Only so many. Okay. Hope to see some of you at least on stage. That's a quality answer if you have written the complete answer. Here is the next question. This is your question number 11. Armacolite, a greyish titanium-rich mineral named after 3 personalities. My question, where was this found?
Moon.
This was found on the surface of the moon, and after whom was it named?
Armstrong, Michael Collins, and Buzz Aldrin.
Is the correct answer. Armcolite is the correct answer. Next question. This symbol was used in ancient India and Tibet, stands for perfection and dualism, dragon eating its own tail. Try to visualize, okay? Can we have a mic there on that side? Wahan pe. Please stand. Yes. Makes it easier for them to identify.
The symbol is Ouroboros and the mathematical symbol is infinity.
Infinity is the correct answer. Even if you have written just the symbol or if you have written the word infinity, you have scored completely for this particular question. So this is the symbol of infinity that was inspired by this religious symbolism. Next question, question 13th. What medical scanning process are we talking about? Can I have it from one of the junior classes, maybe 9th standard? No? It's okay.
MRI.
MRI. There was a lot of reference in the flow chart to the word magnetic, right? So that is the correct answer. MRI is indeed the right answer. Question number 14. In a petri dish, if the fungi replicates every single day, doubles every single day, how many days did it take to half fill the dish?
29 days.
So the correct answer is 29 days. A simple logical question, obviously. It doubles on the very next day, so it has to be the 29th day. Very good answer. We will move on to the next question. Question 15. All these individuals, they share a unique distinction. What is that achievement? Which achievement is this?
Double Nobel Prizes.
Double Nobel Prizes. These are all individuals who have won the Nobel Prize twice. Very good answer. That is the only correct possible answer. If you have mentioned 2 or any reference to twice and Nobel in the answer, you have gotten that score. Next question. Question number 16. Hydrangea macrophylla. Quite a tricky question. Yes, I agree. It was slightly a difficult one. Which environmental factor affects the color, the spectrum of these flowers? Color spectrum of the flowers.
Acidic and basic. Acidic and basic.
That's all right. If you have written that, that's good enough. pH of the soil. pH of the soil. If you have written that, that is the correct answer. Any reference to pH will give you complete points. Soil pH determines the color. Next question. Question 17. What good word connects a Greek deity with a heavenly body with the periodic table? We showed you a set of images. Can we have the images on screen? What connects? What good word connects these two? Okay, from someone new. Have you answered once? No.
Mercury, hydrocarbon.
What did you write? Mercury is the answer. Mercury is the answer. That's the only common term between these 3 images. Mercury. Next question. Next question. Yes, question 18. Can we have the question? What is calculated on the basis of this formula given by a German psychologist? That itself was a huge hint, right? Okay, he has not answered, so I'll give it here for now. Mental age divided by chronological age into 100. What is calculated?
IQ.
IQ, or the intelligence quotient of a person. If you have written the word intelligence, the keyword is intelligence or IQ here, either of this will give you complete points. So this is indeed IQ of a person is decided by this formula. Next. 19th question. What is the missing digit?
2649 પેલા પેલા હે ને એ પછી ફ્લિપ થઈ જાય આખું.
I will give it to you. These are basically anagrams in pairs, right? These are anagrams in pairs. If you reverse, you would get the first 7 numbers. The 7th number, the missing digit has to be 2, 6, 4 and 9. Very good analogy there. Nicely cracked. Next question, the penultimate question. Yes. In 1945, Percy Spencer, he filed a patent. The next year, he filed a patent for what accidental discovery? Yes, I'll give it to you.
Microwave.
This is the invention of microwave oven is the correct answer. Very good answer. The chocolate melting, that should have given you the answer. Can we have the next question on screen? The final question. Google Doodle dedicated to Carl Landsteiner. What was this? What was his major contribution to the field of science? Medical science, to be specific.
Blood group.
So this is the guy who basically categorized the blood groups, right? And thus revolutionized the field of medicine is the correct answer. This is indeed blood groups. Any reference to blood would have fetched you the points. So blood groups, right? So these are the 20 questions. We will be starting the main quiz in about 10 minutes. Allow us to tabulate the scores and identify the top 8 who will play here, right here on screen in about 10 minutes. Qualify for the final STEM Quiz 3.0 Grand Finals is none other than GA01. This is Vignesh and Keshav Baliram. Please join us on stage as team number 1.
We have the honor of welcoming our chief guest, Shri Jagdish Vishwakarma, Honorable Minister of State, Cooperation, Salt Industries, Printing and Stationery, Protocol, Micro, Small and Medium Industries, Cottage, Khadi and Rural Industries, Civil Aviation, Government of Gujarat. I request Sahu sir to please felicitate sir with a floral bouquet.
Boys and girls,
Thank
can
you,
we have a
sir.
huge round of applause for Shri Jagdish Vishwakarma, sir? Sir, a very warm welcome to the program. It's a great pleasure for you to join us and grace this occasion. Thank you so very much.
We have with us Shri Bobin Mandal, Scientist G, DRDO Jodhpur. I request Goswami sir to please welcome him. We also have with us Shri S.K. Das, DDG Doordarshan. I request Dr. Shastri to please welcome. We have with us Shri Alok Tiwari sir, Principal KV. I request Dr. Shastri to please welcome. We also have with us Shri Subodh Joshi, Deputy Secretary DST. I request Dr. Goswami to please welcome.
As I said in the beginning of the quiz, India is currently holding 2 very big festivals. The first one, the Festival of Faith, the Kumbh Mela, and today, the Gujarat STEM Quiz 3.0, the Festival of Knowledge, India's biggest STEM quiz.
Come on, children, can we hear it for them? These are the finalists. All right. The next team is representing Uttar Pradesh, UP01. This is Shreyans and Achyut. Shreyansh and Achyut, please join us on stage. Noida and Varanasi.
So from Gautam Buddha Nagar and from Sunbeam Bhagwanpur from Varanasi.
Shreyansh and Achyut, are you here? Yeah, you'll be playing as team number 4.
Left the remaining 4 teams for today's grand finale for the Gujarat STEM Quiz. CH01, Khushmeet Narwal, DAV Public School, Gurugram, and Hardik Verma from Chandigarh. Walking up on stage as Team 5. Team 6 from our very own Gujarat, G287, Azim Ada and Yash Lalwani from Dahod. We welcome you as team number 6.
On table 7, G332, Nilesh and Ripudaman Mishra from Vadodara, New Era Senior Secondary School and Delhi Public School, walking up on stage as the penultimate team for our finals. And the final team that has qualified into the Gujarat STEM Quiz 3.0 finals, G006, Anandmay Sharma and Srimali Rajendra Kumar Dharmik from Ahmedabad, walking up as the 8th team on stage.
All right, all the very best, all top 8 finalists. Congratulations on making it to the final showdown. We will now start with the round rules.
All right, with that loaded, we once again welcome all of you to the Gujarat STEM Quiz 3.0, brought to you by the Department of Science and Technology, the Government of Gujarat, the Gujarat Council of Science and Technology, and Science City, a beautiful center for science and knowledge in the state of Gujarat.
ભારતના માનનીય વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીના વિજ્ઞાન દ્વારા આત્મનિર્ભરતાના સ્વપ્નને સાકાર કરતી મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી ભૂપેન્દ્રભાઈ પટેલના નેતૃત્વમાં ગુજરાત કાઉન્સિલ ઓફ સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજી ગુજકોસ્ટ દ્વારા નિર્મિત એક અનોખી નગરી રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર ભુજ. સર્ક્યુલર કેનોપીસથી સુશોભિત આ સેન્ટરમાં 6 થીમ સાથે બનેલ ગેલેરીઝ છે, જેમાં સ્પેસ સાયન્સ, એનર્જી સાયન્સ, બોન્સાઈ, મરીન નેવિગેશન, નેનો ટેકનોલોજી અને ફિલ્ડ મેડલ ગેલેરીનો સમાવેશ થાય છે. અહીં સમયાંતરે ખગોળ વિજ્ઞાન અને બોન્સાઈ વર્કશોપ્સનું આયોજન કરવામાં આવે છે, જે અવકાશ વિજ્ઞાન અને બોટનીમાં રુચિ ધરાવતા મુલાકાતીઓને આકર્ષે છે. વળી અહીંના 3D થિયેટર અને વર્ચ્યુઅલ રિયાલિટી ઝોન મુલાકાતીઓને 21મી સદીના નવ વિશ્વનો યાદગાર અનુભવ આપે છે. વળી અહીંના કેફેટેરિયામાં સ્વાદિષ્ટ ફૂડની મજા સાથે સુંદર ગાર્ડનમાં બેસીને અગમ નિગમની વાતો કરવાની મજા તો ખરી જ. તો ચાલો બાળકો, મનાવીએ વન ડે પિકનિક રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર ભુજમાં અને સાયન્સને વધુ નજીકથી જાણીએ અને માણીએ. ભારતના માનનીય વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીના વિજ્ઞાન દ્વારા આત્મનિર્ભરતાના સ્વપ્નને સાકાર કરતી મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી ભૂપેન્દ્રભાઈ પટેલના નેતૃત્વમાં ગુજરાત કાઉન્સિલ ઓફ સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજી ગુજકોસ્ટ દ્વારા નિર્મિત એક અનોખી નગરી રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર ભાવનગર. દરિયા કિનારે આવેલ આ નગરમાં નિર્મિત આ સેન્ટરની મરીન એક્વેટિક ગેલેરી સવિશેષ છે, જે મુલાકાતીઓને દરિયાઈ જીવસૃષ્ટિનો નજીકથી પરિચય કરાવે છે. અહીં આવેલ ઓટોમોબાઈલ ગેલેરી વાહન વ્યવહાર ક્ષેત્રની ક્રાંતિનું જીવંત પ્રતિબિંબ છે, જ્યારે નોબેલ પ્રાઇઝ ગેલેરી નોબેલ વિજેતા વૈજ્ઞાનિકો વિશે જાણકારી આપે છે. વળી અહીંની ઇલેક્ટ્રોમિકેનિક્સ અને બાયોલોજી સાયન્સ ગેલેરી પણ વિજ્ઞાનને ઊંડાણપૂર્વક સમજવા મદદ કરે છે. અહીંના 3D થિયેટર અને વર્ચ્યુઅલ રિયાલિટી ઝોન મુલાકાતીઓને 21મી સદીના નવ વિશ્વનો યાદગાર અનુભવ આપે છે. વળી અહીંના કેફેટેરિયામાં સ્વાદિષ્ટ ફૂડની મજા અને સુંદર ગાર્ડનમાં બેસીને અગમ નિગમની વાતો કરવાની મજા તો ખરી જ. તો ચાલો બાળકો, મનાવીએ વન ડે પિકનિક રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર ભાવનગરમાં અને સાયન્સને વધુ નજીકથી જાણીએ અને માણીએ.
We'll start with round number 1. Yeah, before that, welcome you all. So can we go to the next slide? This is STEM Quiz 3.0 Grand Finale. Moving on to the rounds, please. Here is a quick look at all the rounds that we are going to play today. Can we move on? Yes, these are the 6 rounds in today's quiz. We'll begin with the icebreaker round. We'll give you the rules of each and every round before we start the quiz. There is the icebreakers. We have this or that, which is a MCQ round. And then we have take your pick, which is a topic-based round. Then we have a dedicated mathematics round called mathomania. And then we have spectacle. As the name itself suggests, this is a visual-based round. And then we'll be signing off with a acrostic round, which will again be played on buzzers, right? We'll tell you how to use the buzzers once we get there. For now, I would like to request everyone to just quickly press once on the buzzer. Just press once, don't repeatedly hit. Just press once. All of you? Okay, can you see the green light? Yes. Okay, that means your buzzers are set. Let's start with the very first round of STEM Quiz 3.0 on your screen. Now, here are the set of rules. Icebreakers, here are the rules. Yes, each team. We'll start traditionally with team number 1. Each of you will get one direct question. If you do not answer it, traditionally it will pass to the next team and so on. On a direct question, it carries 10 points. If the question is passed to the next team, it carries 5 points. We do not use the buzzers in this round, so it's a simple, straightforward passing round, plus 10 and a plus 5, no negative marking. Are you all ready for the very first question? Here is the first question in Icebreakers coming up on your screen now. This smart technology, designed for home use, gets its name from an ancient library in Egypt, which was once thought to contain all the world's knowledge till it was burned down by the Romans in 48 BC. What device are we talking about, named after an ancient library in Egypt?
The answer is Alexa.
The answer is Alexa. You're going to go with Alexa. From? It is named after what?
The library, I don't know the exact name, Alexandria, I think.
The Library of Alexandria is the correct answer. Alexa was the answer we were looking for. Lovely quizzing.
Very well done.
Very well done. And a grand opening to the finale. 10 points to team number 1. Here is the second question to team 2, your direct. Elias Ho received a patent for his automatic continuous clothing closure device. Later, Whitcomb Judson marketed his clasp locker. Both products perform the exact same task. How do we better know clasp locker today? Nowadays, how do we know this invention?
Swing machine. Swing
Weighing machine, passing you on weighing machine, which is incorrect.
Swing machine. Swing. SW.
Sewing machine.
No, it is not.
Washing machine.
Passed.
Velcro.
Velcro is a clever answer, but incorrect.
Passing across.
Passed.
Pass.
Team 7. Team 7. If it's passed, you can just signal.
Zip.
So this is not Velcro, but this is the zip or zipper is the correct answer. The question said it all. You had loads of hint in the question itself. Clasp locker is indeed zipper. Very well played. Team 7 picks a 5. Scorers, please note, Team 7 picked 5 points on this question. The next question.
Yes, it's there. Westminster Abbey ખાતે આ તખ્ત કોને સન્માનિત કરે છે? Whom does this plaque located at the Westminster Abbey commemorate? Team 3, direct question to you.
Isaac Newton.
Choosing to pass, that is incorrect. Team 4.
Is it Vaina Bapu?
All right, not quite. I think we'll have to pass across to Team 5.
Is it Haley?
Can you give me a full name?
Don't know, I just know this.
We'll give you points for that. This is Edmund Halley of the Halley's Comet fame. Very well done. Team 5, they get 5 points on Edmund Halley, right, and Halley's Comet. With that, Team 4, you get your direct question now. Question number 4 on your screen. Madridમાં bullfighters ringની બહાર એક વૈજ્ઞાનિકની પ્રતિમા છે. તેમણે આકસ્મિક રીતે કંઈક એવું શોધ્યું જેનાથી બહુ બધા લોકોની જાન બચી ગઈ અને આજે પણ બહુ બધા લોકોની જાન એના લીધે બચે છે. આ પ્રતિમા કોની છે? The statue is outside the bullfighters ring in Madrid. We will show you an image. He accidentally discovered something that eventually saved many lives and is still saving many lives. Whose statue can you see outside? Can we have the image, please? Yes, Team 4. Okay, not the whip. Team 5.
Alexander Fleming.
Alexander Fleming, Team 5 on fire, plus 5 to you again. Very well done, Team 5. This is indeed Alexander Fleming, who saved millions of lives for his discovery of penicillin. Well done, Team 5. Points to you.
This is a direct question to Team 5, coming up on your screen now. This element is obtained from seaweed by repeated blanching and ethanol extraction. It is required by the body, so is added to something that we take with our food every single day. What element are we talking about?
Sodium. Sodium.
Sodium, not quite. Not waiting for the Gujarati translation, but we'll still pass. That's fine. Team 6.
Iron.
Iodine is indeed the correct answer. Well played, Team 6. They picked 5 points on this. Nicely answered. Come on, audience. Show a little more enthusiasm. Come on. Wonderful answer by Team 6.
All right, Team 6, direct question to you. ઉત્તર ગોલાર્ધમાં જમણી તરફ અને દક્ષિણ ગોલાર્ધમાં ડાબી તરફ વિચલિત કરે છે. આ પ્રવૃત્તિ કઈ મહત્વપૂર્ણ હવામાન ઘટનાને અસર કરે છે? The Coriolis force tends to deflect moving objects to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. What important weather phenomenon does this affect? Team 6 will have your answer.
The question has too many hints. Look at the keywords. It deflects moving objects to the right in the northern hemisphere, left in the southern hemisphere. So what weather phenomenon does it affect? The question is very, very specific. We are talking about a weather phenomenon which is affected by the Coriolis force. Rainfall. We'll pass you on rainfall.
Wind and cyclone.
Can you be slightly more louder?
Wind and cyclones.
Saying wind and cyclones.
Wind and cyclones. I will give you on cyclones. That's indeed the correct answer. That will be a +5 on a past question is the correct answer.
All right. That is question 6. This is hurricanes and cyclones, but we'll be lenient. All right. Team 7, this is your direct question. All right. Let me read it in Gujarati first, and then I'll read it in English. Right. We have time. Don't worry. આ રોજિંદાના ઉપયોગમાં લેવાતી વસ્તુનું પરમાણુ રચના છે. આ વસ્તુના બે કાર્યાત્મક ભાગ છે. એક હાઇડ્રોફોબિક પૂંછડી અને બીજું હાઇડ્રોફિલિક માથું. આ કઈ વસ્તુ છે? The molecular structure of an object we use every day. It has two main components, a hydrophobic tail and a hydrophilic head. What daily use item are we talking about? Team 7 is ready with their answer. Yes, Team 7.
Soaps and detergents.
Very nicely done, Team 7. +10 to you on your direct. This is indeed soap. Can we have the answer, please?
This is indeed soap. Hydrophilic and hydrophobic. Something that mixes with water and something that does not mix with water. Well played. Well deserved. 10 points on that question. With that, we move on to the next question. Open to team number 8. This enzyme is responsible for the breakdown of food particles in the stomach. Its ability to aid digestion inspired the name of a very, very popular drink. Also a question from the world of business. Which enzyme are we talking about? Which inspired the name of a popular drink?
Peptides. Peptides.
You think peptides?
Peptides.
We'll have to pass you to team
Wrong.
1.
We'll
Pepsin.
pass.
Pepsin.
What is the enzyme?
Pepsin.
Pepsin is the correct answer. That's the correct answer. Well played. That's 5 points to team number 1. All right, with that we have come to the end of round number 1. We have an audience question coming up before we tabulate the scores for round number 1. Can we please have the audience question on screen? Simple, straightforward question. The liquid form of what gas is used to supercool food items? Yes, please raise your hand.
Good morning. My name is Rehan Khan. I'm from Navy Children's School, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Well, the answer is liquid nitrogen.
You will get a prize from GuCost. There is a spot prize as well. We will now move on to round number 2. Can we have the rules on the screen?
Okay. Team number 5 is on 10 points. Team 6 on 5. Team 7 on 20. Sorry, All right. Can we have the rules for the second round, please? Yes. In this round, each team gets 1 MCQ as a direct attempt. The direct team gets 15 points for their direct attempt answer. After that, the remaining teams can attempt the question on the buzzer. There are 2 attempts after the direct team has answered. All right? On the first attempt, it's a +10 on the first buzzer attempt. On the second buzzer attempt, it's a +5.
Please remember, there will be a negative scoring in this round since the questions are open on the buzzer. It's either a plus or a -10 on the first attempt or plus or a -5 on the second attempt. So please make sure you're very sure about the answer before you hit the buzzer. Wait for the direct team to give their attempt before you answer it on the buzzer. You'll have to wait for me to reset the buzzers before we move on to the next attempt. Between the two attempts, please wait for the green light to arrive. I will tell you when I'm resetting the buzzer. You'll need to wait for the cue before you go for the second attempt. All right?
વિશ્વની સૌથી મોટી બિલાડી હર્ક્યુલિસ જે નર વાઘ અને માદા સિંહ થી જન્મેલી છે તે કયા પ્રકારના પ્રાણીનું ઉદાહરણ આપે છે? Wait a second. Yeah, go ahead. If you want to answer.
Option A, Tigon.
You're saying A, Tigon. That is incorrect. Can we click on Tigon? And there is a team on the buzzer as well. The largest cat in the world, Hercules, born to a male tiger and female lion, is an example of what animal? They've said Tigon. That is incorrect on their direct. Team 2, you're on the buzzer. Go ahead.
Liger.
Liger, a very huge cat, a terrible movie. Very well done. That fetches you a +10. Sorry for the Liger joke. Right, it was a long time coming.
ભારતના માનનીય વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીના વિજ્ઞાન દ્વારા આત્મનિર્ભરતાના સ્વપ્નને સાકાર કરતી મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી ભૂપેન્દ્રભાઈ પટેલના નેતૃત્વમાં ગુજરાત કાઉન્સિલ ઓફ સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજી ગુજકોસ્ટ દ્વારા નિર્મિત એક અનોખી નગરી રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર પાટણ રૂપિયા 100 કરોડના ખર્ચે નિર્મિત અને 10 એકર જેટલી વિશાળ જગ્યામાં ફેલાયેલ આ સેન્ટર પોતાના ડાયનાસોર પાર્ક માટે જાણીતું છે અને એની અનોખી હાઇડ્રોપોનિક ગેલેરી મુલાકાતીઓને નવી તકનીકોથી માહિતગાર કરે છે અને એની ઓપ્ટિક્સ ગેલેરી અનોખા આકર્ષણનું કેન્દ્ર બની છે. વળી અહીંના 3D થિયેટર અને વર્ચ્યુઅલ રિયાલિટી ઝોન મુલાકાતીઓને 21મી સદીના નવ વિશ્વનો યાદગાર અનુભવ આપે છે. આ વિશાળ સેન્ટર ફરીને ભૂખ તો લાગે જ તો અહીંયા સ્થિત કેફેટેરિયામાં સ્વાદિષ્ટ ફૂડ ઉપલબ્ધ છે. વળી સુંદર ગાર્ડનમાં બેસીને અગમ નિગમની વાતો કરવાની મજા તો ખરી જ. તો ચાલો બાળકો મનાવીએ વન ડે પિકનિક રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર પાટણમાં અને સાયન્સને વધુ નજીકથી જાણીએ અને માણીએ. ભારતના માનનીય વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીના વિજ્ઞાન દ્વારા આત્મનિર્ભરતાના સ્વપ્નને સાકાર કરતી મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી ભૂપેન્દ્રભાઈ પટેલના નેતૃત્વમાં ગુજરાત કાઉન્સિલ ઓફ સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજી ગુજકોસ્ટ દ્વારા નિર્મિત રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર રાજકોટ સૌરાષ્ટ્રના ઔદ્યોગિક શહેરમાં આવેલા સેન્ટર 6 વિશેષ ગેલેરીઝ ધરાવે છે. અહીંની મશીન એન્જિનિયરિંગ ગેલેરી આકર્ષણનું કેન્દ્ર છે. સાથે રોબોટિક ગેલેરી વિવિધ પ્રકારના રોબોટ્સની ઝાંખી કરાવે છે. રાજકોટ અને મોરબીના સિરામિક તેમજ ગ્લાસ ઉદ્યોગને ઉજાગર કરતી આ ગેલેરી ટાઇલ ઉદ્યોગની ઝાંખી કરાવે છે. અહીંના 3D થિયેટર અને વર્ચ્યુઅલ રિયાલિટી ઝોન મુલાકાતીઓને 21મી સદીના નવ વિશ્વનો યાદગાર અનુભવ આપે છે. સાથે અહીંના કેફેટેરિયામાં સ્વાદિષ્ટ ફૂડ અને સુંદર ગાર્ડનમાં બેસીને અગમ નિગમની વાતો કરવાની મજા તો ખરી જ. તો ચાલો બાળકો મનાવીએ વન ડે પિકનિક રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર રાજકોટમાં અને સાયન્સને વધુ નજીકથી જાણીએ અને માણીએ.
Here comes the next question. This is direct to team number 7, direct to you. Which of these contain the Mariana Trench, the deepest part on the planet? Team 7, your direct attempt for 15 points.
Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean.
Your answer is?
Pacific
Ocean is the correct answer and it's a 15-pointer. It's a 15-pointer. Here comes the next question, direct to team number 6. This is your direct. Can we have it on screen? Where is India's only active volcano found?
D. Deccan Plateau.
Sorry?
D. Deccan Plateau.
Is incorrect. That is the incorrect option. Open to you. They were still answering the question, right? They were still answering the question.
B.
You
Andaman
have to wait
Islands.
for that time.
Andaman Islands, B.
You're going to go with Andaman Islands, which is the active volcano in question. Where is it specifically? In the Andaman
Barren
Islands.
Island, Barren Island.
Barren Island is the correct answer. That's a 10-pointer. You played for a plus or a minus 10. That's a plus 10. You will get the next direct question.
All right, Team 5, I think this question is going to fall right up your alley. What does the letter D in the term HDMI stand for? Detail, definition, distance, or depth? Answer.
B, definition.
B, definition, as in?
High definition multimedia interface.
Lovely answer. Plus 15 to you on your direct. High definition answer coming from team 5. And the quiz moves across to the right. Yes, teams.
Here comes the next question. This is direct to team number 4. In which of these does a differential play a vital role in its working? And your options are, is it an escalator, is it a pressure cooker, car, or a calculator? Open to you, team number 4, for 15 points before the other teams take it on the buzzer. You're going to go with calculator as your direct attempt for 15 points. That is incorrect. Open on the buzzer. All right, go for it. Okay, for plus 10 or minus 10, you have given the answer car. That is the correct answer. 10 points to team number 7 on my left here.
Direct question now to team number 3. Team 3, what is added to iron to make it into stainless steel, zinc and copper, manganese and lead, tin and carbon, chromium and nickel? Team 3. D, chromium and nickel. Plus 15 to you. Lovely answer. This is indeed chromium and nickel. Team 3 not losing out on your direct question. Safe strategy, good strategy. Well done. Team number 2, direct question on to you. Here it is.
Which of these is the only planet that spins clockwise? Among the options, which is the only one that spins clockwise? And your answer is, for 15 points, Venus. Put your hands together. That's a great answer. 15 well-deserved points to team number 2. Well played.
Which is the only vitamin that can be synthesized by the body? शरीर द्वारा संश्लेषण કરી શકાય તેવું એકમાત્ર વિટામિન કયું છે? વિટામિન A, વિટામિન E, વિટામિન D or વિટામિન B? Team 1.
Vitamin D.
Vitamin?
D.
D as in D for Delhi.
Yes.
Lovely. 15 points to you on your direct. And with that, we come to the end of the second round of the quiz as well. We'll quickly jump into the scores.
At the end of round 2, this is where the teams stand. Team number 1, awesome. This is 30 points, third in the score tally for now. Team number 1. Team 2, you're at 25 points. Team 3 at 15. Team 4 yet to open their account. Second in the score tally is team number 5 with 35 points. Team 6, you have picked 5 points. Team 7, maintaining that lead with 45 points. Team 8, yet to open your account, right? Don't worry, we still have 4 more rounds. Here is round number 3. All right, this is a topic round, right? This is a topic round. This is how the round goes. You will see a topic grid on the screen and each team will be asked to pick a topic from the grid. Whatever you're thorough with, you're free to pick that. One topic can be picked by only one team, obviously, and we will ask a question based on the topic that you opted. Scoring is somewhat like this. Direct attempt fetches 10 points and past attempt also fetches you 10 points, right? It's either 10 or even on the past it's a 10 as well, 10 or 10. There will be no negative marking. This round will not be played on buzzers, so do not worry about the buzzers. Can we please have the topic grid on the screen? For team number 1, it's your turn to pick a topic. These are your topics.
Can we click on Amazing Innovations? Yes, the Amazing Innovations questions comes up. Team 1, here is your question. Can we show them the question, please? I'm going to show you an image. It's a building in Dubai. It's a building that is called the Office of the Future, right? What modern day technology is used in the construction of this building? Let's see the image. This is the world's first building of this kind. What modern day technology is used in its construction? Can we have the image, please? This is the image. It's called the Office of the Future. A modern day construction technology is used.
3D printing.
You're saying what?
3D printing.
They're 3D printing entire buildings. That is correct. plus 10 to you. Very well, Team 1. This is the world's first 3D printed building for you, the Office of the Future in Dubai.
Team 2, please pick a topic. They're going to go with great scientists. Can we please have the question on great scientists? This scientist invented the bifocal lens, the lightning rod, and was the first to use the word battery. Who is this? Who is more famous, though, from the history books rather than the scientific achievements, rather than the scientific contribution? In his name, he is more famous because of a different reason. Who is this very, very popular personality? Open to you.
Benjamin Franklin.
You're going to go with Benjamin Franklin as your answer for 10 points. Well played. That's a well-deserved 10 points to team number 2. That's the correct answer. This is indeed Benjamin Franklin.
Team 3, your pick of the lot.
Everyday chemistry. Everyday chemistry.
Everyday chemistry will come up on your screen. Here it is.
This is the world's most widely consumed psychoactive drug. When we say psychoactive drug, we don't say it in a conventional sense. Don't go the other way. It's not the narcotic drug. In plants, it is a natural pesticide. In humans, it is a stimulant warding off drowsiness and restoring alertness. What is this world's most consumed psychoactive drug that we are talking about? If you fail to answer, the question will pass to the next team for 10 points as well. Do you have an answer on the direct attempt? Team number 3. Okay, seems like they choose to pass this question to the next team. Here is team 4 on the pass.
Caffeine.
You're going to go with
Caffeine.
The most consumed psychoactive drug in the world is indeed caffeine. That's the correct answer. 10 points to you. Nicely played. This is 10 points.
Yeah, Team 4. After you picked up your own 10 points, why don't you pick your category? Technology greats will turn up on your screen. Yeah, there it is. This is Mr. Reynolds, right? He created something. Reynolds Johnson, he created something which back when he created it, weighed a ton, not a literal ton, like it weighed a lot, and it was stored in a room, right? You needed an entire room to store this technology. Today, you can carry it in your pocket. What technology are we talking about? Team 4, the synapses have fired, and I think they know the answer. They're just working it out. Team 4. I'm saying back when Mr. Reynolds Johnson created this technology, they needed an entire room to store it. Today, you can carry it in your pocket. What technology is this? Same point, same words, same reaction. Team 4, go ahead, give me an answer.
Wallet.
You're saying wallet? You needed a room. How rich are you? Not a wallet. Team 5.
Hard disk, hard drive.
This is the hard disk or the hard drive. You can technically save your money in a hard disk as well. Bitcoin has come about. Team 5, plus 10 to you. Very well done. And you now get a direct pick at your category.
Please pick your topic. Team 5, your turn.
Engineering marvels.
You're going to go with engineering marvels. Here is the question on engineering marvels coming up. This is an image question. This is the blueprint of which record-breaking architectural marvel is the question. Please take a look at the image before you answer this question. Here is the image. Take a good look. Which record-breaking engineering marvel are we talking about?
Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa.
This is the Burj Khalifa. Nicely answered on the very first try. For 10 points, direct attempt, 10 points to you, team number 5. Can we head back to the topic grid for the next direct question, which is to team number 6. You can pick your topic out of the 3. Out of
Animal
the 4.
world. Animal world.
You're going to go with animal world. Here is the question on animal world. These animals are mostly insectivores. Some drink blood and the rest feed on fruits. Their order is called the Chiroptera, which is simply the Greek for hand wing. It's simply the Greek word for hand wing. What are we talking about? What creatures, what amazing creatures are we talking about? Direct question to you.
Dragonfly. Dragonfly.
Can you repeat your answer slightly louder?
Dragonfly.
Dragon? Fly is incorrect. Passing that question to team number 7. Chiroptera, hand wing.
Mosquito. Sorry, I forgot. Bat. Bat. It's bat.
You'll need to decide your answer.
It's bat,
You
actually.
can't give us options to choose from. Your answer is bat is the correct answer. That's the correct answer. 10 points to team number 7.
ભારતના માનનીય વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીના વિજ્ઞાન દ્વારા આત્મનિર્ભરતાના સ્વપ્નને સાકાર કરતી મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી ભૂપેન્દ્રભાઈ પટેલના નેતૃત્વમાં ગુજરાત કાઉન્સિલ ઓફ સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજી ગુજકોસ્ટ દ્વારા નિર્મિત એક અનોખી નગરી રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર ભુજ સર્ક્યુલર કેનોપીસથી સુશોભિત આ સેન્ટરમાં 6 થીમ સાથે બનેલ ગેલેરીઝ છે જેમાં સ્પેસ સાયન્સ એનર્જી સાયન્સ બોન્સાઈ મરીન નેવિગેશન નેનો ટેકનોલોજી અને ફિલ્ડ મેડલ ગેલેરીનો સમાવેશ થાય છે અહીં સમયાંતરે ખગોળ વિજ્ઞાન અને બોન્સાઈ વર્કશોપ્સનું આયોજન કરવામાં આવે છે જે અવકાશ વિજ્ઞાન અને બોટનીમાં રુચિ ધરાવતા મુલાકાતીઓને આકર્ષે છે વળી અહીંના 3D થિયેટર અને વર્ચ્યુઅલ રિયાલિટી ઝોન મુલાકાતીઓને 21મી સદીના નવ વિશ્વનો યાદગાર અનુભવ આપે છે વળી અહીંના કેફેટેરિયામાં સ્વાદિષ્ટ ફૂડની મજા સાથે સુંદર ગાર્ડનમાં બેસીને અગમ નિગમની વાતો કરવાની મજા તો ખરી જ તો ચાલો બાળકો મનાવીએ વન ડે પિકનિક રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર ભુજમાં અને સાયન્સને વધુ નજીકથી જાણીએ અને માણીએ વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીના વિજ્ઞાન દ્વારા આત્મનિર્ભરતાના સ્વપ્નને સાકાર કરતી મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી ભૂપેન્દ્રભાઈ પટેલના નેતૃત્વમાં ગુજરાત કાઉન્સિલ ઓફ સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજી ગુજકોસ્ટ દ્વારા નિર્મિત એક અનોખી નગરી રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર ભાવનગર દરિયા કિનારે આવેલ આ નગરમાં નિર્મિત આ સેન્ટરની મરીન એક્વેટિક ગેલેરી સવિશેષ છે જે મુલાકાતીઓને દરિયાઈ જીવસૃષ્ટિનો નજીકથી પરિચય કરાવે છે અહીં આવેલ ઓટોમોબાઈલ ગેલેરી વાહન વ્યવહાર ક્ષેત્રની ક્રાંતિનું જીવંત પ્રતિબિંબ છે જ્યારે નોબેલ પ્રાઇઝ ગેલેરી નોબેલ વિજેતા વૈજ્ઞાનિકો વિશે જાણકારી આપે છે વળી અહીંની ઇલેક્ટ્રોમિકેનિક્સ અને બાયોલોજી સાયન્સ ગેલેરી પણ વિજ્ઞાનને ઊંડાણપૂર્વક સમજવામાં મદદ કરે છે અહીંના 3D થિયેટર અને વર્ચ્યુઅલ રિયાલિટી ઝોન મુલાકાતીઓને 21મી સદીના નવ વિશ્વનો યાદગાર અનુભવ આપે છે વળી અહીંના કેફેટેરિયામાં સ્વાદિષ્ટ ફૂડની મજા અને સુંદર ગાર્ડનમાં બેસીને અગમ નિગમની વાતો કરવાની મજા તો ખરી જ તો ચાલો બાળકો મનાવીએ વન ડે પિકનિક રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર ભાવનગરમાં અને સાયન્સને વધુ નજીકથી જાણીએ અને માણીએ
Team 7, you've received your points. You receive your category on your screen. Take your pick.
We'll go with scientific milestones.
Scientific milestones. Very well. Can we have scientific milestones on the screen? Yes. All right. In the image, I'm going to show you a photo of Margaret Hamilton writing all of a lot of code. For what scientific milestone was Margaret Hamilton responsible for writing all this code for? Can we have the image, please? There it is. That is Margaret Hamilton standing next to the lines of code or the books of code that she'd written. For what scientific milestone? Team 7, direct to you.
Is the answer a historical event?
It is an historical event. It's a scientific milestone, as the category says.
Binary code?
You can't be changing your answer. Repeat that.
What is
Binary code. We'll go with binary code.
binary code? So you're saying the answer is creation of binary code, almost like a relay baton. Team 8 is waiting for that mic. Yes, team 8, go ahead.
The moon landing mission,
This
Apollo.
is the moon landing mission. The Eagle has landed, and the 10 points have landed right in your score, kitty. Team 8, very well done. And your final pick of the lot.
Moving on to Team 8's topic.
Numbers galore.
Numbers galore. Here is the question on numbers galore. This is a mathematics question. Can we have the question, please? A perfect number is a positive integer that is equal to the sum of its proper divisors or factors, excluding the number itself. My question is, which is the first?
6.
You're going to go with 6. Is the correct answer. 10 points to you. Lovely. Great answer.
And before we go on to the scores, before we go on with the quiz, we are very honored to welcome Mrs. Mona Khandar, Principal Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, the Government of Gujarat. Team 1 on 40 points, Team 2 on 45, Team 3 on 15, Team 4 on 10, Team 5 on 55, Team 6 on 5, Team 7 on 55, and Team 8 on 20. This is a pretty close score line. Anything can happen in the next 3 rounds. 24 questions, it'll feel like 24 seconds. Let's see how round 4 unfolds. On Mathomania, you'll need to get your math right. Go on.
So here are the set of rules for the round. Mathomania coming up on your screen. We'll have a total of 8 questions, and each question will be open on the buzzer for all the teams here. Right? All questions are open to all teams. A maximum of 2 attempts per question from different teams. 2 attempts from 2 different teams. First attempt carries 15 points or a -7, and the second attempt carries 10 points or a -5. Please remember, 2 different attempts from 2 different teams. All the questions are on the buzzer. Can we have the very first question in Mathomania coming up now?
Teams, the questions do not pass. They're on the buzzer. All right? Yeah, just a reminder. Question number 1 of round 4, Mathomania, on your screen. Here it is. Identify the next 2 characters in the sequence. Yes, teammate, you're the first one. Go ahead.
It is P16. No, sorry. Can I please change?
You cannot be changing your answer. This is a buzzer round. You'll need to be
P16.
slightly more confident.
P.
He said P16.
No, it's in.
All right, we'll give you a -7 on that. There's another team on the buzzer.
7.
Go for it. Go for it.
It's Q17.
Q17 is the correct answer. Very, very good answer. Can we have the answer on the screen, please? Yeah, there were 2 separate series. There was 1 number between the number series that were shown, and there was 1 character between the letters that we had shown. The next in the sequence is Q17. Here comes the next question. This person's work on calculus predates Newton and Leibniz by over 500 years. At the age 16, he wrote the Siddhanta Shiromani, a treatise on mathematics with 4 volumes, Leelavati, Bijaganita, Ganitadhyaya, and Goladhyaya. Who is this personality? Open to you, team 3.
Bhaskaracharya.
You're going to go with Bhaskaracharya or Bhaskara the second. Very good answer. 15 points to you on the very first attempt.
All right. Now on to question number 3. Very quickly, on your screen, find the missing number of the lot. Team 6, waiting for an answer. Can somebody pass on the mic to them?
That will fetch a negative. Please be very careful. You can't be calculating once you have pressed the buzzer.
Team 6, answer immediately, or that's a negative.
That's a -7. We'll move on to the second team that buzzed. Over to you. 5. And this team here, they picked a negative. Can we have the answer for this question, please?
Yeah. The answer, the logic is 27. So you have to multiply the base to fill in the top of the other pyramid. Question number 4 on your screen. Now, this item has an international standard that uses 1:√2 ratio. It is great for scaling up or down sizes without compromising the aspect ratio of one size to another. Yes, team 8, without letting me finish the question, you will give me an answer.
A4 size paper.
We'll give it to you on paper sizes and A4 paper. That's fair enough. All of us know A4 paper the most popularly. However, paper sizes is absolutely correct. There's a very popular installation in a museum in Barcelona dedicated to paper sizes. That is how important they are. Plus 10 to
Plus 15 on the first
to
attempt.
team 8.
Plus 15 to team number 8. Wait. Please do not press the buzzer out of turn. They were still answering right. You're not supposed to touch the buzzer until we say so. Here is the next question on the buzzer coming up now. Ancient Babylonians use a hexadecimal system, which means they calculate in base of 60 instead of base 10 like we do. Due to this unique nature, go for it, team number 2. What are we talking about? Something that's seen in our daily lives?
Go ahead.
There are 60 seconds in a minute, and in 1 hour there are 60 minutes, and in a complete angle is 360 degrees.
Very good answer. The 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour, the system is based on the ancient Babylonian sexagesimal system is the correct answer. 15 points to team number 2. Well played. We are resetting the buzzer for the next question.
On screen. Yes, sorry. 10 Dugan trillion is the official term. Yes, team 1 waiting for...
Google.
You said the answer faster than I could say the word. That fetches you a plus 15. Very well done, team 1. I was just fumbling with the word and you gave me the answer. Very well. This is Google and Google as the number and Google as the popular internet service. 15 points to you, team 1. And the penultimate question of this round.
Find the missing number in this sequence. And the numbers are 13, 35, 68, 112. What is missing in this list? What is the next number in this list?
Look at how their numbers are progressing. Yes, team 7.
Go for it.
167.
How?
The 5 is 22. Of 35 and 68 is 33. 68 and 112 is 44.
Perfect.
So the next is
Perfect
55.
answer. 22,
Lovely
33,
answer.
44, 55 plus 15. Team 7. Very well done on that. You worked it out the fastest. And we play the last question of this round. Again, a question that you will have to do some quick math to arrive at the answer. We are looking for 3 of the elements that you will see on the screen. Question number 8.
Here is the question. Which pins must be knocked over to score exactly 100 points? Remember to press the buzzer once you have figured it out. If you start calculating after pressing the buzzer, that is straight away -7. Which 3 pins must be knocked over to score exactly 100 points? A quick mathematics question. Go for it.
Which 3 pins need to be knocked over?
There is only one possible combination. Go for it, team number 7.
13, 39 and 48.
Can you repeat that loudly for the audience again? We heard it.
13, 39 and 48.
13, 39 and 48. What a beautiful answer. What beautiful quizzing witnessed here in STEM Quiz 3.0. Very good answer, team number 7. That's a 15-pointer on the very first attempt. It's time for the audience question before we give out the total scores. At the end of round number 4, can we have the audience question on the screen? Which is the only number which is written with all the letters in alphabetical
There's a hand
order?
up
Can we please
right
have
at
a
the
mic
front.
there? GuCost volunteers, please take a mic there. Introduction before you answer.
I am Aditya Avra from Surat district, Bardoli, and the answer is 8.
8.
Yes.
Okay, too optimistic an answer, but audiences, can we just shout out the answer? I think everybody knows it by this point. Yes, go ahead. 40 is correct, right? F-O-R-T-Y, 40 will fetch you brownie points and audience. And I think we are ready with the scores. There it is, team 1 on 55, team 2 not far behind with 50, team 3 on 30, team 4 on 5, team 5 on 55 as well, team 6 on -2, team 7 on 95, and team 8 on 28. Console, team 2 score is 60 and not 50, all right?
Here comes the final round of today's quiz. We have one more round to go. Again, this will be a round which will be played on the buzzer. All questions will be on the buzzer. Please.
Yeah, there they are. Each team gets an audio or a visual question. 8 questions in this round, all open on the buzzer. No direct questions to any of the teams. All right? Questions, as they said, open for attempts on the buzzer. When I say a direct attempt for a +15, -5, that's the first attempt. And the second attempt is a +10, -5. Let's keep a +15, -10 and +10, -5. 2 attempts on the buzzer allowed. The first attempt on the buzzer is a +15, -10. Second attempt, +10, -5. Everybody clear with the rules? Fair enough. Lovely. Question number 1 of the last round of Gujarat STEM Quiz 3.0 appears on your screen now. The next slide has a photograph called the pale blue dot, taken in, yes, team 7, go ahead.
Earth, our planet Earth.
The planet, the pale blue dot, from a universal context, the planet Earth is a pale blue dot.
the next question, question number 2 in visual round. On the 189th birth anniversary of which personality did Google display this doodle? Can we have the image on screen?
Can we have the image of the doodle? This doodle was displayed on the 189th anniversary of this famous scientific personality. Right. Who is this doodle dedicated to? Console, can we have the image, please? Image, please, yes. There it is. And going for it is team number 1. Go ahead, team 1.
Charles Darwin.
Charles Darwin is incorrect. Wait a second. Wait a second. The buzzers are not insured. Wait a second. Right. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a second. Yeah. Can we? Yes, teammate.
Gregor Mendel.
Gregor Mendel is correct. Plus 10 to you on Gregor Mendel. Not Charles Darwin. That's a minus 10 to team 1. Minus plus 10 to team 2. Very well done. All right. Moving on to question number 3. Maybe we just in time for that. Go ahead.
What technology was predicted 8 years in advance in this episode of Simpsons?
Team 2 has already buzzed.
You do not want to see the video. You do not want to see the video.
There
You
is a
went
video.
for it. Okay, they'll answer before they see the video. No, we cannot. You press the buzzer. On what basis did you press the buzzer?
Smartwatches.
Sorry?
Smartwatches.
Smartwatches. This is a video question and you went with the buzzed attempt before you saw the actual visual and your answer is smartwatch. Based on what? Unless you know all the episodes of Simpson by heart, all seasons, you couldn't possibly know that. Right?
No, to be
That's
fair,
negative.
Simpsons has predicted a lot of these futuristic inventions. Smartwatch, unfortunately, is not the one that we're looking for.
All right.
Let's have a look at the video. Yes, team, go ahead.
Is it this morphing system like
You're not even looking at the video and you've given a wrong answer.
Yes.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect as well. They've picked a -5 on that. What technology was shown?
Team
No,
4,
you cannot. That
look at
would be a third attempt.
what Smithers is doing.
We have already taken 2 teams. 2 teams have picked a negative. We cannot keep it open for a third attempt.
Question number 4. This is a close-up microscopic shot of the effervescent texture or scales on what animal without the image. Go ahead, teams. You're really feeling confident today. Hope it's not overconfidence. Team 1.
Butterfly.
Lovely. Team 1. Very well. Team 1.
Can we please have the image? You're
There
saying
it is.
this is butterfly.
Team 1, do you have some clairvoyant prediction powers that you can predict the future? Much like the Simpsons. Plus 15 to you on that. Very well done. This is indeed the butterfly. And the next question.
What is the name of this flute from ancient Greece? A reference
Team
to the
1
fact
again.
that it is made with the bone of the same name. Go for it.
Tibia. Tibia.
You're going to guess. We are asking a question about this flute named after tibia. Can we have the image? Before we validate that question, this instrument is called tibia. Can we please have the answer on the screen?
That is
It is indeed
impressive.
tibia. What
That
an
is
impressive answer.
Extremely impressive. There are the scores. Team 1, you're on 80. Team 2, you're on 55. Team 3, you're on 30. Team 4, you're on 0. Team 5, you're on 55 as well. Team 6, you're on -2. Team 7, sitting a little bit comfortably on 110. And Team 8 on 38. The battle is still not over. 3 questions to go.
So here comes the last 3 questions in today's quiz. Teams, are you all ready? Your buzzers have been reset for the final 3 questions. Coming up on your screen is question number 6. This is the inside of which machine, which is the world's largest scientific experiment stretching across 3 countries. Go for it, team number 1.
Large Hadron Collider.
You're going to go with?
Large Hadron Collider.
Long Hadron Collider is the correct answer. All right, here comes the penultimate question in today's quiz. Can we have the question on the screen? What name is given to this bridge in Singapore due to its characteristic design? And here is the, yes, team 2, go for it.
Helix.
You're going to go with Helix Bridge.
Helix. Helix.
Based on what?
Its design is like helix.
This is based on the structure of the
Yes.
DNA. This bridge is called Helix. Can we please have the image as well? That is the correct answer for 15 points. Well played, team 2. 15 points to you. Here comes one final question of today's quiz.
All right. Yes, team 5, not letting me here use my mic. Go ahead.
Leonardo da Vinci.
You're saying Leonardo da Vinci. You know, Quizmasters take some bit of joy in reading the questions, yes? Allow us that pleasure, but we'll give you the pleasure of 15 points. And that's a beautiful answer to come out of you. Very well done, Team 5. Good answer to finish the quiz with. This is indeed Leonardo da Vinci. The teams just showing what good preparation and what good quizzing is. The level of the quiz goes higher and higher every year. With that, let's do a final run at the scores and see which team has come out on top. Can we do the final scores on screen, please? Team number 4 finishing the quiz on 0 points. You were playing jump rope with the score line. Today was not your day. Finishing second to last is Team 6 with 13 points. Right? Team 6, very well done, very well fought. You got in a couple of answers, not the correct ones. This is not the correct line. We have the added scores as well. All right. Then we have team number 3 finishing the quiz on 30. That score is correct. Team 8 finishing on 38. Then we have team 5. You finished the quiz on
Minus
70. Team 2, you finished the quiz on 65 with the last negative after 50. Right. And the runners-up for today is team number 1. You finish on 95. You're the runners-up for today. Finishing the quiz as champions, a team that has gone from strength to strength, backed their answers, and clearly, with a clearly defined strategy of going from strength to strength, Team 7 winning the quiz today with 110 points. Very well done, Team 7. With that, another edition of the Gujarat STEM quiz draws to a close. A huge thank you to the Gujarat Council of Science and Technology, the Department of Science and Technology, the Government of Gujarat, and Science City, and all the dignitaries, especially our chief guest and ma'am, and everybody present here, the audiences, the volunteers, and all that. May I request all the dignitaries to join us on stage for the prize distribution. Now that we go into the prize distribution, may I now request Sri Jagdish Vishwakarma sir to join us on stage. Sri Jagdish Vishwakarma.
Hello participant. Hi. आज इस क्विज को हम कंक्लूड करते हुए एक और क्विज खेलते हैं. किसको क्विज खेलना है? ऑल आर रेडी? श्योर? 9th के स्टूडेंट कितने हैं? 9th स्टैंडर्ड, 10th स्टैंडर्ड, 11th, फाइन. सो कैन वी स्टार्ट द क्विज? जो भी क्विज जिसको आंसर आता है उसका हैंड राइज करेगा, और साथ में ही हम क्विज जैसे विनर्स को भी, जैसे डायस पर जो विनर्स बैठे उनके साथ ही आपको भी कुछ ना कुछ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गुजरात माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री भूपेंद्र भाई की ओर से कुछ अच्छी गिफ्ट्स वगैरह इस टाइम क्विज में रखी हुई वो आप सबको भी मिलेंगे. कैन वी स्टार्ट? वो इज द इनोवेटर ऑफ द जीरो. So many. Aryabhat, good, जोरदार तालियां. What's a good name?
Dhaval Chauhan.
Dhaval Chauhan. Please come, Dhaval. Who is the USB port founder? He is an Indian USB port. Who is the USB port founder? He is an Indian.
Ajay Bhatt.
Yes, good. Please come. Out of the box questions. भारत देश के एक स्टेट को डिवाइड करने का काम किसने किया था? कौन से सेक्शन अंतर्गत एक स्टेट को अलग किया गया था? उसके अंदर दो विधान, दो निशान लगाए गए थे। वो वड़ा प्रधान कौन थे और वो स्टेट का नाम क्या है जो भारत से अलग किया गया था? जो भारत से अलग किया गया था वो स्टेट का नाम क्या है? यस, सेक्शन नंबर। और किसने वो सेक्शन को दूर किया?
नरेंद्र मोदी.
प्लीज कम. Who is the father of fiber optics? Who is the father of fiber optics? यस, जोरदार ताली हो जाए. नरेंद्र सिंह कब्बानी. जब लाइट का इनोवेशन हुआ, वाटरमाइक कार के ऊपर लाइट नहीं जलती थी, तब बाइसिकल के ऊपर ऐसी कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी लगाई जाती थी जिससे साइकिल की लाइट जलती थी? डायनामा. और प्लीज कम. ऐसी कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी यूज होती है जिससे हम लोग वेट मेजरमेंट करते हैं? वेट मेजरमेंट. लोड स्केल. प्लीज क्लैपिंग. इट्स लोड स्केल. ऐसी कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी है? वो टेक्नोलॉजी का नाम क्या है? वो डिवाइस का नाम है जिससे हम लोग डिस्टेंस मेजर कर सकते हैं और वो टेक्नोलॉजी हम लोग काउंटिंग भी कर सकते हैं. ऐसी कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी सारी इंडस्ट्रीज के अंदर यूज करते हैं? इट इज अ फोटो सेल. इट इज अ डिवाइस नेम इज फोटो सेल. रोबोट के अंदर ऐसी कौन सी मोटर्स यूज की जाती है जिससे रोबोट वर्क करता है? वो मोटर्स का नाम क्या है? डोंट आंसर, जस्ट रेज द हैंड, नथिंग एल्स. नो, नॉट दिस मोटर. विच मोटर वी कैन यूज? यस, सर्वो मोटर. जोरदार तालियां, क्लैपिंग. Another motor is also used. One servo motor and another motor also we can use. Stepper motor, please come. Congratulations. ऐसी कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी है जो सारी टेक्नोलॉजी हम लोग जितने भी इंजीनियरिंग मशीन है, जितने रोबोट्स है, जितना चंद्रयान है, उसके अंदर हम लोग उसको यूज करते हैं और उसको कमांड ऑन कंट्रोल देते हैं? वो टेक्नोलॉजी का नाम क्या है? कमांड ऑन कंट्रोल देते हैं. आपको यहां इतने 4 कदम चलने, 4 कदम नहीं चलने, इतनी स्पीड पकड़नी, इतनी स्पीड नहीं पकड़नी है. उसका 3 अक्षर का वर्ड है, उसका नाम बोलिए. यस, प्लीज कम. पीएलसी. माय क्विज इज ओवर. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. थैंक यू ऑल स्टूडेंट्स.
These are the winners of the audience prizes who will be receiving receiving their audience prizes from our chief guest. Calling on stage to receive their prizes, Team 6. Team 6 walking up.
to receive their prizes as the finalist of the Gujarat STEM Quiz 3.0. Can we still hear a huge round of applause for them? They have still been a part of the top 8, Team 6. There you are. Out of 10 lakh participants, they stand 8th in the lot. Congratulations to you, Team 6. Finishing 7th is team number 4. Can we request the both of you to join us here? They're a team from Uttar Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh stars shining bright. Again, out of 10 lakh participants, finishing 7th for today's quiz. Very well done, Team 7. Next in line is the team which has finished 6th, Team 3. From Uttar Pradesh, now we have a team from Rajasthan traveling all the way to Gujarat to play this quiz. They finish here 6th. After them, the team that finished 5th, they gave some good quality answers, fumbled with their strategy maybe. Team number 8. And this team has some bit of a home advantage. They're a team from Ahmedabad. They have done well, and I'm sure they're going to do well in the future quizzes as well. Team number 8. Team 2, I read that wrong, will be walking up, finishing. Wait. Oh, enough. Right. There's, we'll sort it out. Team 1 is second. Yeah, got it. Now, on to the second runners-up of the quiz. A team that finished the quiz on 70 points and, as I said, given some really quality answers. That is Team 5. They'll win themselves the 3rd place prize. Next coming on is the runners-up for today's quiz. The runners-up prize is a bittersweet prize. They missed out by one question, but the value of one question has proved to be huge for you, Team 1, walking up as runners-up on stage. Can we have you here? But Team 1, as I always say, a quiz is like a cocoon, and you will turn from a silkworm to a butterfly eventually. Right. Treat this like a cocoon. And after the dust has settled, one team stands tall over everybody else.
I request all our dignitaries also to join on the dais. Shruti Madam, Mondal Sir, Tiwari Sir, Subodh Joshi Sir, Hitesh Amin Sir.
As I said, one team stands tall on everybody else. Team number 7, winning the quiz with a comfortable score of 110, will walk up on stage to collect their prizes.
And our guest of honor.
So this is the game is now not over, it is started. The Government of Gujarat, Department of Science and Technology, ये क्विज को आपको और आगे लेने के लिए इनके साथ काफ़ी इंसेंटिव रखे हुए हैं. एंड द फर्स्ट जो हॉट सीट में यहाँ पे बैठे हैं 60 स्टूडेंट, दे विल बी विजिटिंग भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी रिसोर्स. So very soon with their itinerary, we will be taking the team to, sending the team to BARC Mumbai for 3 days. The next 25 students, they will be visiting the Defense Research Development Organization, DRDO, the country's most popular, most premier institution in that research and development. So DRDO Jodhpur, the second team is visiting. The third team would be SAC ISRO, Science City, and the next 500 students, they will be having this 4 consecutive boot camps at National Forensic Science Universities. So we are very much thankful to all these our knowledge partners, those who are giving the real guidance and mentoring to our young generations for their career and future. And I think with this, the STEM would be not limited to this program. It would be continued through your career and future. And we'll be looking forward as a pioneer, scientist, researcher, and engineer, technocrat for our Viksit Gujarat, Viksit Bharat, and the Honorable Prime Minister's visions and missions. So with these words, we express our sincere thanks and gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Jagdish Vishwakarma Sir, for his kind time and concern for this program. The way Sir has curated the last part of the quiz that brings lots of vibrations. Thank you so much, Sir. And we are sincerely express our sincere gratitude to Mrs. Mona Khandar Ma'am, Principal Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Government of Gujarat, who is so giving so much of encouragement and the support, guidance for the STEMs. And I think with the vision and mission of our department and our Principal Secretary Ma'am, all our students are getting a very good STEM ecosystem and state platform in the country. And this message is not only limited to Gujarat, and we are seeing that enthusiasm in all our states and the teams. We are sincerely thanks to our knowledge partner at DRDO, the KB, all the state boards, Navodaya schools, and all our scientists from SAC ISRO, PRL, NFHU, those who are attending and those who are giving a lots of support, guidance during this program. So with all support, will be next year, this next version of the Gujarat STEM quiz will be really, it will be exciting and more interesting. Thank you so much.
I am Vignesh Noso Shetye. I am from Sakri, Goa. Today we have won the second place for Goa team in the Gujarat STEM Quiz 3.0. Gujarat STEM Quiz is a very nice opportunity for us to test our knowledge on the different new technologies and scientific discoveries that are happening in the world.
I am Khushmeet Narwal and he is Hardik Verma. And I am from Haryana, he is from Chandigarh, and we finished third at the today's Gujarat STEM 3.0 quiz held in Ahmedabad, Science City. We had to conquer 3 stages before the final round, and throughout the experience was really great. We encountered new questions from the field of technology and science, and I think it was a nice experience overall.
Hi everyone, myself Keshav Garg from Jaipur Cambridge Court World School.
And I am Arnav Sharma from Jaipur Cambridge Court World School.
And this is our first time attending the GuCost Gujarat STEM quiz. It was a very wonderful experience. We have secured 4th position in the grand final, and it was a wonderful experience. We look forward to coming again next time.
I am Nilesh from Delhi Public School, Vadodara, from Vadodara. So today in this Gujarat STEM quiz 3.0, we emerged as the winners, and the experience was very good. Actually, the questions were kind of tough, but we were able to crack it. So our experience was very good.
Myself Ripudaman Mishra. I am from Vadodara, New Era Senior Secondary School of class 10th. Coming to GuCost, this STEM quiz was a great experience, and I came to know about many various other things. And I would like to thank GuCost for organizing such an interesting event, which helped us learn many other things.
India's biggest STEM quiz એ ગુજરાતના મુખ્યમંત્રી માનનીય ભૂપેન્દ્ર પટેલ દ્વારા શરૂ કરવામાં ક્વિઝ છે. આ લગભગ ત્રીજી વખત ક્વિઝ ગુજરાતમાં રમેલી છે ને ઓલ ઇન્ડિયાથી બધા જ સ્ટુડન્ટો આ ક્વિઝમાં પાર્ટિસિપેટ થઈ રહ્યા છે. 9, 10, 11, 12ના સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ્સના સ્ટુડન્ટ્સના ક્વિઝમાં આવે છે. સ્ટુડન્ટ્સનું બધાનું જનરલ નોલેજ વધે અને જે પણ ડેવલપમેન્ટો ભૂતકાળમાં થયા છે અથવા જે રિસર્ચ જે ડેવલપમેન્ટ થયા છે એને લઈને સ્ટેમ ક્વિઝ સાયન્સ ટેકનોલોજી ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ દ્વારા રમાડવામાં આવી રહી છે. આ ક્વિઝના કારણે અલગ અલગ રાજ્યના લોકો, અલગ અલગ સ્ટેટના લોકો, અલગ અલગ સ્કૂલ કોલેજના વિદ્યાર્થી આ ક્વિઝમાં જ્યારે પાર્ટિસિપેટ થાય અને ત્યારે એમનું પોતાનું નોલેજ એક અપગ્રેડ થઈ રહ્યું છે. લાસ્ટમાં જેમ આપણે જોયું કે અત્યારની જે નવી ટેકનોલોજી યુઝ થઈ રહી છે એના વિશે પણ જ્યારે ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછવામાં આવે ત્યારે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ એના ઇમિડિયેટલી આન્સર્સ આપી રહ્યા છે. એનો મતલબ કે નોલેજ ગેઇન થઈ રહ્યા છે. એના ક્વિઝના કારણે એવું થાય કે લોકોને કનેક્ટ કરવાનો એક આ સારામાં સારું માધ્યમ છે, લોકોને ટીચિંગ કરવા માટેનું સારામાં સારું માધ્યમ છે. અને આપ જોઈ રહ્યા છો કે ઘણા બધા લોકો આ ક્વિઝમાં, ઘણા બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ એ પોતાનો ભાગ લઈ રહ્યા છે. અને કદાચ આવનારા દિવસોની અંદર ગુજરાત સરકાર દ્વારા આવી એક G3Q પણ ક્વિઝ પણ રમાતી, 36 લાખ જેટલા વિદ્યાર્થીઓમાં જોડાયા હતા. અલગ અલગ ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ દ્વારા પણ આના મોટિવેટ થઈ અને અલગ અલગ રાજ્યના લોકો પણ, સરકાર પણ આવી ક્વિઝ રમાડી રહી છે. અને આ ક્વિઝના કારણે એક સરસ પ્લેટફોર્મ મળી રહ્યું છે. દેશના યશસ્વી વડાપ્રધાન માનનીય મોદી સાહેબ જ્યારે યુવાનો માટે એટલું બધું કરી રહ્યા છે અને ત્યારે આ ક્વિઝ એક ખૂબ મોટું માધ્યમ બનશે લોકોને કનેક્ટ કરવા માટેનું. એકચ્યુઅલી જે ટેકનોલોજીસ માર્કેટમાં આવી રહી છે અથવા જે છે એક્ઝિસ્ટિંગ ટેકનોલોજીસ, તો એ વિદ્યાર્થીઓને પાસે નોલેજ છે કે કેમ, પણ મને આજે પ્રાઉડ થાય છે કે જે લેવલે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સોએ બધા જે આન્સર્સ આપ્યા અથવા બહુ જ ઓછા સ્ટુડન્ટને ખબર છે કે રોબોટની અંદર કઈ મોટર વપરાય અથવા કઈ ટેકનોલોજીસ વપરાય, પણ છતાં બધા જ લોકો ખૂબ સારી રીતે આન્સર આપ્યા. એટલે मारा माटे પણ આ એક मोटिवेशनल क्विज હતી એમ.
गुजरात स्टेम क्विज अपने आप में एक बहुत अनोखी स्पर्धा है. इसने पूरे देश को एक सूत्र में बांध दिया. 10,12,000 लोगों का पार्टिसिपेट करना, उसके बाद हर स्टेट और गुजरात के हर ज़िले ही नहीं, हर तालुका में से लोगों का यहाँ पे इकट्ठा होना एक पूरे भारत का इकट्ठे होने जैसा था. और आज हमने यहाँ पे जो जिस तरह से लोगों का स्टेम के प्रति उत्साह देखा ना, वो बहुत ही देखने के काबिल था. एक्साइटमेंट था. सभी बच्चे यहाँ पे 1,000 के ऊपर बच्चे यहाँ पे ग्रैंड फिनाले में पार्टिसिपेट किए. दाहोद के बच्चे यहाँ पे आए, डांग से बच्चे यहाँ पे आए. एक भी तालुका यहाँ पे छूटने नहीं पाया जो यहाँ पे गुजरात साइंस सिटी में इकट्ठा ना हो पाए हों. इस तरह से ये जो गुजरात स्टेम क्विज़ है, नवी पीढ़ी नी नवी सफ़र, इसीलिए हम इसको नवी पीढ़ी नी नवी सफ़र कहते हैं. और यहाँ से ये इनका सफ़र स्टेम के करियर में शुरू होता है. और मेरी सच इच्छा है कि ये सभी लोग आगे जाके स्टेम में अपना करियर बनाएं और आगे बढ़ें.
आज गुजरात स्टेम क्विज 3.0 का ग्रैंड फिनाले में आज हमको इतनी खुशी हुए कि 10,12,539 स्टूडेंट के जो रजिस्ट्रेशन और पार्टिसिपेशन किया था, आज इनका डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, स्टेट लेवल करने के बाद आज जो ग्रैंड फिनाले में हुए वहाँ पे 1080 टीम का जो परफॉर्मेंस, इनका स्टेम का जो कैरियर एंड इनका फ्यूचर के बारे में हमको इतना झलक लिखता है कि हमारा विकसित भारत का जो रोड मैप है इट्स काफ़ी क्लियर एंड काफ़ी लाउड एंड काफ़ी पर्सपेक्टिव है. तो ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर सर का जो सपना है, जो यंगर जनरेशन को एक बढ़ावा दे करके इनको साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, इनोवेशन के आगे में इनको टूल तरीके से हमारा देश का विकास करना ही है एंड देश को एक एडवांस नेशन तरीके से वर्ल्ड में एक लीड पोजीशन को लेना ही है. तो इसी के लिए गुजरात सरकार, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, गुजकोस्ट एंड साइंस सिटी सबके साथ मिल करके डिपार्टमेंट को एजुकेशन के साथ ये क्विज का शुरुआत हुआ था एंड काफ़ी इंस्पिरेशन मिला सब डिपार्टमेंट में, सब स्टेट में, सब बोर्ड में. एंड आज हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि हमारा साइंस आज आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. टेक्नोलॉजी को लेने के लिए हमारा यंगर जनरेशन तैयार है एंड इसी तरीके से जाएंगे तो हमारा फ्यूचर वेरी ब्राइट एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल.
A huge thank you to all of you for being a part of the Gujarat STEM Quiz 3.0. Thank you so very much. This has been a major pleasure. See you in the future at future quizzes. Keep quizzing and be safe. Thank you so much. Have a good night.
ભારતના માનનીય વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીના વિજ્ઞાન દ્વારા આત્મનિર્ભરતાના સ્વપ્નને સાકાર કરતી મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી ભૂપેન્દ્રભાઈ પટેલના નેતૃત્વમાં ગુજરાત કાઉન્સિલ ઓફ સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજી ગુજકોસ્ટ દ્વારા નિર્મિત એક અનોખી નગરી રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર પાટણ રૂપિયા 100 કરોડના ખર્ચે નિર્મિત અને 10 એકર જેટલી વિશાળ જગ્યામાં ફેલાયેલ આ સેન્ટર પોતાના ડાયનાસોર પાર્ક માટે જાણીતું છે અને એની અનોખી હાઇડ્રોપોનિક ગેલેરી મુલાકાતીઓને નવી તકનીકોથી માહિતગાર કરે છે અને એની ઓપ્ટિક્સ ગેલેરી અનોખા આકર્ષણનું કેન્દ્ર બની છે વળી અહીંના 3D થિયેટર અને વર્ચ્યુઅલ રિયાલિટી ઝોન મુલાકાતીઓને 21મી સદીના નવ વિશ્વનો યાદગાર અનુભવ આપે છે આ વિશાળ સેન્ટર ફરીને ભૂખ તો લાગે જ તો અહીંયા સ્થિત કેફેટેરિયામાં સ્વાદિષ્ટ ફૂડ ઉપલબ્ધ છે વળી સુંદર ગાર્ડનમાં બેસીને અગમ નિગમની વાતો કરવાની મજા તો ખરી જ તો ચાલો બાળકો મનાવીએ વન ડે પિકનિક રિજનલ સાયન્સ સેન્ટર પાટણમાં અને સાયન્સને વધુ નજીકથી જાણીએ અને માણીએ ભારતના માનનીય વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીના વિજ્ઞાન દ્વારા